Hi, boys and girls. Today we're working with long E with a silent E at the end. We are going to say the name of each picture and then write the word. Our first picture, the arrow is pointing to the lead story. O-E-D, lead. O-E-D. That silent E at the end. Our gesture is long vowel, silent E. Next picture, the word is meme. 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 Long vowel, silent E. The third picture is a picture of a movie scene. S-E-N. Scene. Scene. Long vowel, silent E. Our next picture is compete. Compete. K-A-M-P-E-T. Compete. Please write compete. K-A-M-P-E-T. Compete. That silent E makes that E say its name. The next picture is theme. 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 T-H says theme. Long vowel, silent E. Our next picture is a picture of a boy named Pete. Pete. P-E-T. Pete. And Pete is a name, so we want to capitalize it because we always capitalize names of people and places. P-E-T. Pete. Long vowel, silent E. Our next picture is picture of complete. Please write complete with me. K-A-M-P-E-T. Complete. Long vowel, silent E. Complete. Our last word, or second to last, is these. The boy is pointing to these books. These. 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 Long vowel, silent E. Last picture is delete. D-E-O-E-T. Delete. Please write delete. D-E-O-E-T. Delete. Here our gesture, long vowel, silent E. All right, on this side, you can see that we are going to be doing short and long E words. So we are going to do our short E words in red. Short E says eh. And long E says e. Long E has the line, and short E, has the swoop. Short swoop, long line. That's how I like to remember. Our first word is yet. Yet. The E in yet is saying so it's short. Swoop. Our next word is see. E-A together can say E, so it is a long vowel. Our next word is sled. S-O-E-D. Sled. E in sled is saying eh, so it is short, so it gets a swoop. Our next word is these. These. I hear E in these because of that long vowel, silent E. These. Our next word is team. T-E-M. Team. I hear E in team. We have E-A. E-A makes the E say E. T-eam. So it gets a long line to show it's a long vowel. Next word is web. W-E-B. Web. E in web is saying eh, eh. So it's short. Eh, eh. Then we have yes. Y-E-S. Yes. The E in yes is saying eh, eh, which is a short vowel sound. So we're going to color it red. And we're going to give it a swoop for the short sound. Next word, leg. O-E-G. Leg. That E is making the short vowel sound eh. So we're going to color it red. Leg. Our next word is street. S-T-R-eat. Street. E-E says E, which is the long vowel sound. So we're going to color it blue. Street. Our next word is tree. T-R-E. Double E says E, which is the long vowel sound. So I'm going to give it a line, and we color it blue. Tree. Then we have keep. K-eep. Keep. Double E says E. Long vowel sound says E. We're going to color it blue because it's saying the E sound. Then we have step. S-T-E-P. Step. Going to give it the swoop because E is saying eh, which is a short vowel sound. So we're going to color it red. Then we have pen. P-E-N. Pen. Short E. Short E is colored red. Our next word is eat. E-A says E, which is the long vowel sound, so it gets a line. And we're going to color it blue. Our last word is mean. M-E-N. Mean. E-A says E, which is the long vowel sound. So we are going to color that blue. All right, my friends, now with a pencil, you are going to sort the words. So I'm going to go back up here to number 1, which is yet. Y-et. It's short, so I'm going to write it here in the short column. I like to cross it off when I'm done. Then I have cease. E. That's a long E sound. So I want you to put the long line over to show that it's a long E. Then we have sled. S-O-E-D. Right, sled. S-O-E-D. Sled. And I want you to put the swoop over the E. Sled. Cross it off when you're done. Oh, looks like I forgot to put the swoop over the E in yet, so I'm going to go back and do that. Now, number 4, the word is these. 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 It's a long vowel sound. So put it in the long vowel section. These. We're going to put the long line to show it's a long vowel with long vowel silent E gesture. Next word is team. T-E-M. T-E-M. E-A says E. Go ahead and finish sorting the rest of the words. You're doing great. I'm proud of you. Keep up the hard work.